Hi everyone, I'm Emma. I want to show you how you can make your own music with your own melody without spending so much money. So, for example, you've got some old songs that you want to revamp. This is how you do it. I've seen so many people use Suno to make music, but not in the way that I use it. And this is why I'm showing you. So I want to revamp this particular one called Tiemi Mobrosu by a Newman, which we all love. For this process, you just sing it like this. Tiemi Mobrosu Meraze Menida Odo. You sing it however you want it, whether you want to sing it the same style or whatever, you do it. And then this is how we use the app. So the next step is going onto the app. Okay, so the first step is to record your voice using your phone's voice recorder and save the file. On this particular day, Dr. K and I created 2 songs, Tiemi Mobrosu by Amy Newman and David Nyame by Hannah Mafu. David Nyame wetia mamia fimu wa mami nyoma nyinae. I use the same process for both songs. Right now, I'm demonstrating the process using David Nyame, but it works exactly the same way for Tiemi Mobrosu and any other song. The next step is to open the Suno app. This is the interface you will see, so please follow the cursor. There are 2 options here. You can either record your voice directly inside the app or you can upload a recording. Personally, I prefer to record my voice first and then upload it, just to make sure that my audio is very clear. This part is very important as well. Your pronunciation must be clear because the AI does not properly understand local accent or dialect. Once you upload your audio, wait for it to finish uploading before doing anything else. If you rush and start adding things too quickly, it may not register properly. Also, you cannot copy copyrighted songs. Suno protects released music, which means you must use your own original content. Now, this next part is extremely important. Whether you upload your own singing or sing directly into the app, you must paste your lyrics into the lyrics section. This is because I am not showing you how to let the AI create a new song for you. I am showing you how to get your exact melody into the system. Pasting the lyrics tells the AI what to follow, so it aligns the words with your melody, not its own interpretation. Next is the style section. This is where you describe how the song should sound and who should sing it. You can enter styles such as Afrobeat, R&B, hip-hop, choir, Soweto style, male voice or female voice. For these songs, I chose a modern Ghanaian music style with both male and female vocals, and I also instructed it to follow the lyrics. Now, in our case, because Dr. K and I already had an arrangement in mind, I sang my part and he sang his part. That helped the AI clearly understand that the song should alternate between male and female vocals. So when you listen to the song, you will hear both a male and a female voice. You don't have to use the same approach. All you need is to paste your style and the AI will handle the rest. Next is the advanced option. You can leave this section untouched if you want, but I'll explain how I used it. The advanced option helps the AI stay close to your original melody. There are 3 controls: weirdness, style influence, and audio influence. Because this song did not include an instrumental reference, I left the audio influence at 50%. I increased style influence to around 80% so the output stayed close to how I sang it. Once everything is set, enter your song title and click create. The song will generate and you will see it appear shortly after. Suno usually gives you 2 versions to choose from. Now that the song is ready, let's listen to it. And by the way, if it doesn't work, all you need to do is to go and recreate. David Nyame wedia mamia feimwa wa mame ni omeni na yeye wa mame ni omeni na yeye wa mame ni omeni na yeye David Nyame wedia mamia feimu wa mame ni omeni na yeye wa mame ni omeni na yeye Euraze mura moro chenua
jamu muasema tume na uwaba wa mobona ya makuma mazea meze muhunyi na bemuna matoa ye indruma teimo 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 meurate